In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a conversation on Slack. In Slack, deleting a conversation can mean two different things. So it's important to choose the right option before you click anything. If you delete an entire channel, that removes the full channel history, including messages and files, and it cannot be undone. If you only want to tidy up your own sidebar, you can close a direct message conversation instead, which simply hides it from your personal view. Before you begin, keep in mind that permanently deleting a channel requires workspace owner or workspace admin permissions. Regular members usually cannot remove an entire channel. To permanently delete a channel conversation, start by opening Slack on your desktop app or in a desktop web browser. Then, from the left sidebar, go into the specific public or private channel you want to remove. Make sure you're in the correct channel because this action is permanent. Next, look at the top of the channel window and click the channel name in the header. It will appear next to the hashtag symbol for a public channel or a lock icon for a private one. This opens the channel details panel or settings window. From there, click the Settings tab. Once you're inside that section, scroll down until you find the option labeled Delete this channel. This is usually shown as a red warning style action, which is a good reminder to pause and confirm that this is really what you want. Click Delete this channel, and Slack will show you a confirmation prompt. In that prompt, check the box that confirms you understand the channel and its files will be permanently deleted. After that, click the red Delete Channel button to complete the process. Once confirmed, Slack will remove the channel and return you to your main workspace view, often back to a default channel. If instead you only want to hide a direct message conversation, go to the Direct Messages section in the left sidebar and find the person or group message you want to remove from view. You have two ways to do this. You can hover over the conversation and click the small X that appears on the right side, or you can right-click the conversation and choose Close Conversation. If the row is highlighted, pressing the Delete key may also work. As soon as you do that, the